Hello, reception class. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. For our phonics lesson today, you will need the 3 sheets that you can see on the screen. So your sheet with the different pictures on, your phoneme frame, and your sentence sheet. So if you just want to, and a pencil. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now, please. We are going to start our phonics lesson today by playing a game of I Spy. So I'm going to say something like I spy something beginning with, and then you need to find something beginning with that sound on your sheet and circle it. So here goes the first one. I spy with my little eye something beginning with J, 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 J. See if you can find something beginning with a J, J on your sheet. And I have found a jellyfish. Jellyfish starts with a J, J, J. Next up, I spy with my little eye something beginning with sh, sh, sh. And there's 2 things for this reception. So try and find 2 things beginning with sh, sh. And I have found a shell and ship. Shell and ship both start with sh, sh. Next up, I spy with my little eye something beginning with y, y, y. So just pause me now and try and find something beginning with y, y. And I have found a yogurt. Yogurt starts with y, y, y. Next up, I spy with my little eye something beginning with qu, qu, qu. Again, pause me and try and find something beginning with qu, qu. I have had a look and I have found queen. Queen starts with qu, qu, qu for queen. Next up, I spy with my little eye something beginning with ch, 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 ch. So pause me, see if you can find the things that begin with ch. And there's 2 things reception. And I have found chick. Chick starts with our ch, ch, ch sound. And chips. Chips starts with our ch, ch, ch sound. Last one. I spy with my little eye something beginning with w, w, w. Pause me, try and find something beginning with w. I found out watch. Watch starts with w, w, w for watch. Right, reception. We're going to go to our next activity. In our phonics lesson on Friday, we started to learn the letter sound, the digraph that you can say on the screen, that you can see on the screen. Can you say what sound these 2 letters make? That's right, reception. Well done. They make the sound. Can you do the action with me where we tend to lift up a heavy weight and we go and again? Well done, reception class. Right, we're just going to do a little bit of blending practice. We're going to practice reading some words that have our sound in. Let's go. Our first word, let's have a go at this together. We've got I, ng. I, ng. I, ng makes ring. Well done. Next word. I, ng. I, ng. I, ng makes, that's right, sing. Next word. Let's sound it out together. Ng. Ng. Ng makes song. Reception, well done. And next up we have ng. Say it with me. Ng. Ng. And when we put those sounds together we get wing. Well done. And our last word is a bit of a challenge word. Let's sound this one out together. It is swing. 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 Make nice. Swing. Well done, reception class. Right, next at reception, we're going to do a little writing activity, which we are well used to doing by now. So you need this sheet that says phoneme frame at the top. On your sheet, you have got pictures of things which all have the sound in, and your job is to write what each thing is in the phoneme frame underneath. Or as an extra challenge, you can just write a list of the words without the use of the phoneme frame, or even put some of the words into a sentence. Well, let's have a go at the first one together, then you can do the others. So our first one, we've got a king. So I'm going to say the word king, 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 and I can hear the k sound at the beginning. And normally we learn that kicking goes at the end of the word, but in the word king, it's at the beginning. So I need a kicking ka, king, king. I can hear the I sound in the middle. King. And we've got our sound at the end. And again, because these two letters only make one sound, they go in the same box together. Okay, so it looks like that. So if you want to have a go at the others, so the words that you are writing are wing, ring, sing, fang, and tongue. Okay, so you want to pause me and have a go at those now, please. Right, one more activity to do, reception, then you're all done with your phonics for today. Your last activity is that you need to write a sentence to go with this picture. And your sentence you're going to write is a king and a ring. A king and a ring. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. So you've got 5 lines at line for each word. So you need a capital A at the start. Say it with me. A king and a ring. Again, a king and a ring. So a capital A to start with. I will start you off. Then have a go at that yourself. So pause me now. Right, reception, I'm just going to have a go at that now so you can check yours with mine. So we've got capital A at the start of the sentence. Then I need the word king, which looks like this. So we've got that sound at the end of king. A king and is a d. A king and a. A is my next word. And a ring. Ing. Ing. And then I need a full stop at the end. So hopefully yours looks like something like that. And if it doesn't look exactly the same, don't worry. As long as you've had your best try, that's all that matters. Right, reception, a big well done for working so hard in your phonics lesson today. Give yourselves a pat on the back and a big thumbs up for well done. And I will see you again for your phonics lesson tomorrow. Bye.